Davidson, and he's now taking the back of Zach Moore, who is physically exhausted but still fighting. With 2 minutes and 33 seconds left in the round, Davidson now has the back of Zach Moore, and Zach is tangled up in the shoulder strap. This is a bad situation for Moore, who is on the verge of potentially losing this tournament. Davidson attacking the neck, 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. Could we see an upset here? Holy smokes. Zach Moore is in trouble. Q Davidson putting everything he's got behind that shoulder strap, completely around the throat of Zach Moore, who is hanging on by a thread. And it looks like Q Davidson may be on the verge of taking home this title. Holy smokes. And there's the tap. Q Davidson does it. Wow.